It's 12:08 in the afternoon. I'm heading to my first drop-off. We have 20 deliveries today. We're gonna try to hurry up and complete these before 2 o'clock. It's also gonna rain, supposedly, so we're not too sure. But with that being said, I'm gonna have the GoPro on and do these deliveries as fast as I can. I'm also on the Pinarello, as you guys can see. I'll do a bike check. I also bought some bike fenders for my bike, so that way the rain won't, you know, my shoes won't get wet. I hope everyone's having a good day today. And you know, I'm feeling good. We only have 4 more days until race day, so I really can't wait. I'm hyped. I'm gonna also go to Samba probably on Friday, so I could go fix some of my fast forwards because the back wheel has a flat after change the tire. Yeah, so I'm thinking about rocking the fast forwards or the Envies. I'm not too sure, so yeah, I might just put the fast forwards because, you know, why not, right? So anyways, let's go drop off this first order. Enough talking and enjoy the ride. Never know. Hello, awesome. On to our second one. Not that far, as you guys can see. It's right over here. Let's go accept this order. There you go. 234 skill man. And there you guys have it. This is dropping up the first order of the day. It's Wednesday. And like I said, we're only 4 to 5 days away from race day. It's gonna be a crit race at Randall's, so pretty stoked. I'm gonna be racing with my teammates and I can't wait for that. So with that being said, let's go continue dropping up the second order and enjoy the ride. Buddy, you see guys, always ride the right way, because if not, you're gonna cause accidents and that's not good. But we're Gucci though. So far we're getting green lights. It's nice out too, by the way. So it's like below 45, below 50. It's nice out. You build up heat once you start riding your bike. So, plus I got my North Face. I feel extra cozy. So next drop off, it's gonna be 234. You guys always want to be careful with this kind of car, see, because late signal. 234, bingo. lock this baby up really quick. Bam! I know it's not a good perfect lock job, but I mean, look where we at. So let's go drop off this delivery. Hello.
Hey, thank you.
Wow. And just like that, I'm gonna dropping off the second order. Let's go ahead and drop off the next one. Third order of the day, right? So this one, we're gonna have to go to not that far. I mean, then again, you know, all these deliveries are really close by. Look, guys, it's like an L. We're heading towards the bridge, so the end is gonna be the bridge for the B. So, you know, we have 1 hour and 40 minutes. So, enough talking. Let's get these deliveries done and enjoy the ride. Vessel Workshop, making some dope bags. Those of you who want to cop a vessel bag, go check them out. No problem. Thank you. There you guys have it. It's been dropping out the third order of the day. We are gonna go to our next one, which is not that far. Have 16 more deliveries to drop off. So, hey guys, I'm feeling good. I'm also feeling kind of hungry. So, once I'm done, we're gonna get some food. And overall, you know, today's a good day. Like I said, we have 4 more days. I'm excited. I can't wait for the race. And I know I've been slacking on videos. I haven't been uploading for like the past couple of days, maybe 4 or 5 days, right? But the reason behind that is because, you know, like, I don't just want to upload. Oh, I'm aided. I don't want to just upload, you know, like videos and, you know, like not like have a meaning behind it. Like all my videos, like, right, I want to make it look nice so that way you guys can be entertained and not have to watch the same thing over and over. So yeah, guys. And also I'm gonna get a new camera, a GoPro Max, because this camera, as you guys know, it has a little like blur in the lens, so I don't like that. The other lens, I messed it up because I crashed, as you guys already saw in one of my videos. So yeah guys, we're gonna get this GoPro Max very soon, hopefully by the end of this week. If not, probably get the GoPro 11. I'm not too sure. I'm definitely gonna get the GoPro Max because then again you have 2 modes. You go from 360 and regular video. So yeah guys, enough talking. I got the Pinarello right over here, looking all beautiful. This is actually worth it, but like I said, we have to drop off these orders as fast as we can before 2 o'clock. It's 12:30. So with that being said, I'm gonna drop the GoPro and enjoy the ride. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty right now. Like, I underestimated the weather. I bought this big jacket. I got 2 double pants. I'm layered up, bro. Anyways, we're gonna go drop off the next order. I have 9 deliveries left. So, yeah, guys. Massive shout out to all of you guys who are watching this video. I really appreciate you guys for real. This is like my 4th or 5th week working at Capsule, so not that bad for me. Anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna shut the GoPro on, and once we're done with deliveries, I'm gonna do a bike check on the Pinarello. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Hello. Hi guys, there you guys have it. We're almost done dropping off deliveries. We only have 4 more. So it's 1:14 in the afternoon. I'm sweaty, but we make serious excuses. We gotta get to it no matter what, because at the end of the day, you gotta do it yourself. So with that being said, I'm gonna shut the GoPro on, to the ride. Hello. No problem. Guys, there you guys have it. We have 2 orders left, so they're not that far. Anyways, massive shout out to you guys once again for the love and support. Appreciate you guys for real, with the bottom of my heart. I hope everyone's out there killing it, doing what you gotta do. You know, whatever it is that you want to accomplish, go out there and do it. Hey, what is up, y'all? We are back at, you guys can see, I'm at Javi's garage, and you know, we're about to review this bike. Shout out to Javi for letting me use his stand. You already know the vibes. Yes sir. Anyways, enough talking. I got this nice black SKS Race Blade Pro fenders. I got the back and the front, perfect for when it rains. You know, you don't get wet like that without it. Got this nice Izumi black chain. Had to get a new one because the older one was messed up. It was already rusty and it wasn't letting me pedal fast. So now this one is like so smooth, folks. It's a bit dirty because it was obviously raining. Got the nice Omniums cranks, black, and yeah guys, this is the bike Barbin. This is the beater. I still treat it like a nice bike because, you know, look at her, like, this is beautiful. Got the black Thompson stand with the 780 risers. That bell on the bars. Black Specialized saddle. Black Thompson T-post. Pinarello frame size 56. Anyways guys, I'm gonna do a little cinematic video, so enjoy the clips. And yeah guys, I'm not gonna go out and ride no more because it's raining, so we're gonna film tomorrow. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.